We're gonna give it a 2 out of 10. Like, this man has some damn cardigan on. Okay, so let me start from the beginning. My flight was canceled, y'all. This Christmas will be special for you and me. This Christmas will be. Hang all the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better. Y'all, guess what? Your girl on her way to Houston, baby. I'm trying to wait. I hate parking at this parking garage. Like, it takes an hour just to get a ride to the thing. That's how I'm always about to miss my flight. Because, like, why does it take so long? Like, just to get a damn ride. I'm trying to get to the airport today, not tomorrow. Anywho, on my way to Houston to get some Christmas content. It's about to be lit out here. So let's hope this is a good flight. United is not letting me get my damn boarding pass. Like, bro, when this credit is going, I'm not flying on no more, period. Here come this slow ass parking thing. Boarded my flight, y'all. Touchdown in T-minus 1.5 hours.
11 minutes later.
I get on this flight, and it's like 110 degrees on here. Like, where's the air? I'm sweating. Y'all see that? I'm sweating. It's ghetto. Just let me get there safely, because I don't want to be on here. Bye. Guys, I made it, but guess what? It's pouring out raining. Like, it's legit a thunderstorm outside. So, yeah, I'm sad. I don't know. Like, it's like very disappointing. Where the fuck is my room? We have something here, but everything is outside, so I don't know where my room is. Everything is outside, so I can't go outside and do the whole rain thing if it's freaking pouring. So I don't know. It's a little disappointing, but so I'm gonna tell y'all, I decided to go on Hinge Houston, period. So, am I going the right way? Like, what is going on here? 100. I think I'm going the wrong way. So yeah, so I had matched with somebody and we might do a little linky link. Go get a drinky drink. Yeah, catch the vibes. So, I don't know, y'all. I'm a little nervous about that. All right, I want to do a little room tour. Let's check it out. Here is the bathroom. First, as soon as you come in, bathroom, shower. Cute mirror. Hey. Mirror. What's this? Closet. You know, a coffee machine. What's a fridge in here? Okay. There's a fridge. Water, TV, bed, artwork. That's really it. A view of the park. It's really raining, y'all. Like, I'm sad. But here we go. I'm gonna go eat and pray it stop. Cause I wanna be outside. Look at that. That's so cute. That is so cute over there. Anyway, I'm here. I need to find a light. But yeah, so I'm here. I'm gonna just go eat. First of all, turn this air up because why? I'm gonna go eat and then come back and hopefully the rain will have stopped and I could be outside. I could do what I came to do. Vlog for you. And you, and you, and you, and you're gonna love me.
20 minutes later.
My friends all on the phone, but put my press-ons on. I ain't out here looking like a little boy now. So let's go eat, y'all. I got the chips. I got it. Let's try it. Let's rate it 1 through 10. These have a nice crisp. They're really good. I'll say get a 9 out of 10. These don't salty. I got it. Let's try it. And I ordered the quesadilla, so I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. It's good. Cheesy. Lots of meat. I finished my food and now it's not raining. I'm excited. It's not raining. So guess what? I can go see the Christmas lights. So I'm excited. They said it stopped at 11, so I can still go for like at least another hour to hour and a half to go see any of the Christmas lights. So let's go see what Houston has to offer, and then we're gonna meet the boys to go get a drink, and that's it. So let's go. Period.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Alright, y'all. So this is a bus. It's starting to rain again. The Christmas lights is off, I guess, because it was raining. And I'm sad about it. So maybe we'll try tomorrow before my flight. I don't know, but I'm going back to my room because I ain't bring my umbrella and my leave out is out. So until tomorrow, Houston, I'm over it. Over. Good night. Let's go. Y'all, I just got caught in the rain. If y'all can see, my poor little leave out.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Hey y'all, what's up? I'm big in my room, obviously. I went out, I met the guy. Now let's rate it 1 through 10. So now the spots I just went to was lit. Like it was a good time. It was a good time. But the boy, we're gonna give it a 2 out of 10. Like this man has some damn cardigan on. Okay, so let me start from the beginning. First, like he was asking about where he was gonna like get me a Uber or whatever. But sir, you don't need to know, you know, where I be or whatever. I can, you know, get my own Uber. I'm good. So then, you know, we go to this little spot or whatever called Five Church, which is this cool in there. It's cute or whatnot. So we go there, and then so we have like one drink there. Then we go to this place called the 50-15 or 1550 or something. One of them two places. I'll insert it, y'all. Like, so we go there. It's like jumping, whatever. So I like go to the bar to like get a drink, but he like stands behind as if like, you know, kind of like he's not gonna pay for it. So I'm like, okay, it's cool. Like you ain't dealing with a broke bitch, baby. So you know, I get my little drink or whatever. So we in there. It's like a good vibe. I like walk around, but y'all, Houston, the niggas is in Houston, honey. Like the niggas is in Texas. Okay, like they here. Child, they look good. The cops look good. I'm like, they must got requirements of like one of my friends was like, let me see a headshot before you apply. Like I dead ass for like it's giving that. Like you gotta look a certain way to be a cop in Houston because why y'all so fine? Like why y'all so fine? I don't understand. But anywho, we go to that place or whatever. You know what's up, vibe? I met some girls in there. We go there, whatever. We have a drink. He like dancing. So let me tell y'all. First of all, he wore this like pink fucking cardigan. Sir, what do you got on? It's not particularly my type, you know. And like I like a certain smile, I don't know, I'm just mad particular, especially like, you know, when it comes to like people's smiles and things. It just wasn't giving what I needed to get. It wasn't giving. It just no shade, y'all. It just wasn't giving or whatever. So you know, he like, oh, you ready to go to the next spot? So I'm like, no, like I'm good, like, you know, I'm chilling here or whatever. So I guess he was like, well, I'm gonna leave. Okay, bye, sir. Like the fuck. Good night. You have a good night. You know, I'm gonna be here vibing a little bit. So I stayed just a little bit longer. So I stayed like a little bit longer, and then like, you know, I called my Uber. I was asking some girls about, you know, some different places to go or whatnot. So I tried it. I give it a 2 out of 10. That was absolutely no. Now I did meet this one boy in the lobby earlier, but they was here for like a big little birthday thing or whatever. So I don't know. But like I said, I'm here for 24 hours. I go home tomorrow, so I'm trying to just go to bed, rest my ankles. Y'all know I got ankle issues, so I'm gonna go to bed, rest my little ankles. Ooh, child, I'm out here looking like Aunt Mama, baby. Tomorrow is a new dawn, a new day. It's a new life for me. So yeah, that's it. That's all, y'all. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bye. Night, y'all. another day. I missed a lot of my Christmas stuff, as y'all know, because it was raining. But guess what? I'm back outside. I can't really catch no Christmas lights, but I can catch this tree, and it's so cute. Ah, y'all see it? This is at Hilton Americas in Houston. It's about the only place, and they got all this back here. It's simply adorable. It's giving a white Christmas, and I love it. So yeah, y'all. Merry Christmas. I'm about to go to brunch. It is no full mirror, so I can't really show y'all my outfit, but my outfit is cute, and like 10 people already told me this morning, and I only been out here for 30 minutes, so it's getting cute. Anywho, about to go to brunch. Say goodbye to the Christmas tree. It's very cute, but anyway, gotta go. Hey y'all, I hope y'all can hear me, but I came to something called Gracie. I hear it's really good, but there is like an hour wait, so I'm waiting. Ain't got nothing else to do, but hopefully I still got time. It's only like, it's only like 2 o'clock, I guess, so I still got time to like go to the turn up spot afterwards, hopefully at least for like an hour. So we'll see, but I'm here ready to eat because I'm hungry and we got time. But I might go, I got an hour, so maybe I'll try to like go get some more content, I guess. I got mad stuff in my pockets, but maybe I'll try to like go get some content, and then I don't know. And then I don't want to like leave because I miss my spot, so I'm gonna try to maybe go take some pictures and then come back. That's it. That's all. So people like it's moving, so hopefully it'll take that long. I only need a table for one. I thought maybe it wasn't going to meet up with my other friends, but I haven't talked to her yet. Well, I talked to her earlier, but I haven't talked to her again. So it'll just be a table for one for now. But I see people got drinks, so I might try to get a little drinky drink at least to sit out here while I wait. I'm gonna try to go do that. But yeah, we do a menu outside. So let's get a drink. I'm gonna get the sweet peach, Grace's sweet peach, because that sounds good. This drink looks amazing. Try to take a picture, but it didn't work, so let's get into this drink. I don't know what this is on the bottom.
They got another thing over there.
Of course I'll spill it.
You heard that?
It's pretty good. I've never seen, which is bomb. They have like soap, mouthwash if you had some grits or something with some garlic, and lotion. It's amazing. Like, they well prepared in here. Hello, Houston. All right, y'all. That's giving nasty. It's giving, I just had a cold, so it ain't that. But anywho, I'm leaving places. The food was good. The chicken was a little big. Okay, I got it. Let's try it. Let's rate it 1 through 10. I'll give it a 7.5. But anyway, no, I think I'm about to go to either the address or the Chapman's, I guess. to see what I can get into for the last 2 hours before I go back to the airport. So I'll probably go to Chapman since it's right by the hotel, and I can like quickly walk back, go grab my bag, call my Uber, and we out. So yeah, let's see what we're about to do. Does this face look happy or no? In true United fashion, my flight is delayed 2 hours. Again, like I hate this air. Like when I say I hate this airline, I hate this airline. Like I don't even want no more credit, bro. Run me a check to my bank account because y'all blowing me at this point. So I got my ticket. I don't know. Oof, I'm like boiling inside because why? Like seriously, why? And is my pre-check thing on here? Oh yeah, it is. All right. Oh, I'm so irritated. Literally waiting for my flight, y'all. Y'all see my airport sweat. Y'all, I'm so irritated. I've been at the airport. It's now 8:03. My flight was supposed to leave at 8:10. Now it's not leaving until 10:14. It's been delayed like a million times. I'm so over it. I really, y'all, like, now I feel like I might stress eating because I'm about to be sitting here for another 2 fucking hours. And I'm ready to go home. Anywho, I gotta go get me something to drink. This damn Cinnabon is hard. I just want to go home. That's all. I just want to go home.
Later. 3 hours later.
My flight was canceled, y'all. I am in a Best Western. I'm scared. I almost don't even want to like go to sleep. I kind of feel like I just want to like stay up until 3 a.m. and go right to the airport. I'm exhausted trying to check these sheets. Don't fly United, y'all. Just don't fucking fly United. Like, I'm overly irritated. I'm over it. Like, I'm so over it. Like, I've never been more over something in my entire life. And I need to work tomorrow. Like, I have to work tomorrow. My hair is stuck. I have to work tomorrow. So, I had them rebook me on Delta. Because no, the next flight was getting home like tomorrow afternoon. Absolutely not. Like, I have shit to do and I don't have time to be playing with y'all, so no. So they rebooked me on Delta 6 a.m. So I'm gonna leave here at 4, go back to the airport. They said it's about 15 minutes. So yeah, I'm not even playing. Hell, I might even tell them to do 3:30. Just in case the airport is crowded, because I ain't taking no chances. Which that is only for less than 4, like literally 4 hours from now. So yeah, I guess I could take a little nappy nap and then go back. Just guys, guess this is it. So we're gonna say good night, sweetheart, good night. Yeah, thankfully I'm gonna just wash up in the morning. Hell, I'm gonna have to go literally straight to work, so I might even fucking take a shower when I get to work. At least I have extra. So that's why you always carry extra underclothes, extra underwear, because you never know. Okay. And luckily I also have like my pants, and I got a shirt, so I ain't gonna be professional, but listen, we're gonna have to do what we gotta do tomorrow. It is what it is. So yeah, good night, y'all. Morning, y'all. I'm up, I'm downstairs, I'm waiting for the shuttle because I will be on the 6 o'clock flight, period. So yeah, it looks like this shuttle might be coming because I see it zooming around this damn corner, but here goes nothing.
There ain't enough sleep for you.
Trying to see what it's deep, but it's closed. I have no idea what time it opens. I ain't never been here 2 hours early, but guess what? We here. Flight boards at 5:20. It is now 4:10. I'm hungry. I don't know what time this stuff opens, but hopefully it opens in like the next 30 minutes. Cause I need a bagel or something. Anything cause I'm hungry. T-minus 2 hours until I'm home.